Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine our world with no animals at all. Can you hear the birds singing? Can you see your pet dog wagging its tail? No, it's a very strange and quiet world without animals. Animals make our world so much more interesting and fun. They are our friends, our helpers, and they keep our planet healthy. Let's learn more about the amazing world of animals. Animals are super important for our planet. They help plants to grow. They eat other animals to keep things balanced. Animals give us food like milk, eggs, and honey. They also help us with farming. Just imagine a world without fluffy sheep or busy bees. Animals are our friends too. Pets make us happy and help us learn about responsibility. Did you know there are many different types of animals? Some animals are wild. They live in forests, oceans, or deserts. Lions, tigers, and elephants are wild animals. Some animals are domestic. This means they live with people. Cows, chickens, and horses are examples of domestic animals. Pets are domestic animals that live in our homes. Dogs, cats, fish, and birds can all be pets. Can you think of other domestic animals? Animals eat different things. Herbivores like to munch on plants. Cows, rabbits, and deer are herbivores. They love to eat grass, leaves, and fruits. Carnivores are meat eaters. Lions, tigers, and sharks are carnivores. They hunt other animals for food. Omnivores like to eat both plants and meat. Bears, pigs, and even humans are omnivores. What do you like to eat? Are you an herbivore, a carnivore, or an omnivore? Animals live in many different places. Some animals live on land. They might live in forests, deserts, or grasslands. Some animals live in water. Fish, whales, and dolphins are amazing swimmers. Some animals live in both land and water. Frogs and crocodiles can swim in water and walk on land. Birds are special because they can fly. They live in nests, trees, and even on cliffs. Can you find a bird's nest near your home? What kind of bird made it? Section 6. Animals help us. Animals are important for us in many ways. They give us food like milk, eggs, and meat. Farmers raise cows, chickens, and pigs for food. Animals help keep our planet healthy. Bees pollinate flowers, which helps plants grow. Worms help to make the soil rich. Animals can also be our friends. Dogs can help people who can't see or hear well. Horses can help farmers with their work. Section 7. Our animal friends. Many people have pets. Pets are animals that live in our homes. Dogs, cats, rabbits, fish, and birds can all be wonderful pets. Pets make us happy. They love to play with us and cuddle with us. Having a pet is a big responsibility. We need to feed them, give them water, and keep them clean. If you have a pet, remember to be kind and take good care of it. Section 8. Be an animal hero. We can all help animals. We can learn more about the animals that live around us. We can watch birds in the sky, look for insects in the grass, and learn their names. We can protect animals by not littering and by respecting their homes. We can also help animals in need by donating to animal shelters or volunteering our time. If you see someone being mean to an animal, tell an adult. Section 9. Amazing animals. Animals are amazing. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. They live in all sorts of places and do incredible things. Let's appreciate animals for making our planet so special. Share your love for animals with your friends and family. Can you think of a fun animal fact to share right now?